Feeling like your brain is running on dial-up in a 5G world? You sit down to work and suddenly you're scrolling through your phone, staring out the window, or thinking about what to have for dinner. If your concentration feels like it's been hijacked, you're not alone. The constant digital noise is rewiring our brains for distraction. But what if I told you that just like you train your biceps at the gym, you can train your brain for laser-sharp focus? Today, we're diving into a simple, science-backed brain exercise routine that will boost your concentration and help you reclaim your mental clarity. This isn't about magic pills or complicated tech. It's about practical strategies you can start using right now to build a stronger, more focused mind. So let's get into the first exercise, which is all about single tasking. I know, it sounds almost revolutionary in our multitasking-obsessed culture. But here's the thing. Our brains are not designed to do multiple complex tasks at once. When you think you're multitasking, you're actually task-switching, rapidly shifting your focus back and forth. This drains your mental energy and creates what scientists call attention residue, where thoughts from your previous task linger and disrupt your concentration on the new one. The exercise is simple. For the next week, pick one important task each day and dedicate a 25-minute, uninterrupted block of time to it. This is the famous Pomodoro technique. Set a timer, put your phone in another room, close unnecessary tabs, and just do that one thing. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. This trains your brain to sustain focus for a set period. It feels hard at first, but with practice, you'll find your focus endurance improving dramatically. It's a foundational step for anyone serious about improving their fitness, not just for their body, but for their brain. Next up, let's talk about mindfulness and meditation. Now, before you think this is all about sitting in a silent room for hours, let me simplify it. Mindfulness is simply the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's the opposite of being on autopilot. One of the most effective brain exercises for concentration is a simple focused attention meditation. Here's how you do it. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably for just 5 to 10 minutes. Close your eyes and bring your full attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice the air moving in and out of your body. Your mind will inevitably wander, that's completely normal. The real exercise isn't about having an empty mind. It's about what you do when you notice your mind has wandered. Gently and without frustration, just guide your focus back to your breath. Every time you do this, it's like doing a bicep curl for your attention muscle, specifically strengthening your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus and decision-making. Starting with just 5 minutes a day can lead to significant improvements in your ability to concentrate and manage distractions in your daily life. Our third exercise is something you might not expect. Actively seeking novelty and learning new skills. Your brain thrives on new challenges. When you're stuck in a routine, doing the same things day in and day out, your brain can go into a low-energy autopilot mode. Learning something new, whether it's a musical instrument, a new language, or even just trying a complex puzzle like Sudoku, forces your brain to create neural pathways. This process, known as neuroplasticity, doesn't just make you smarter in that specific skill. It enhances your overall cognitive function, including your ability to concentrate. Think of it as cross-training for your brain. The effort it takes to learn a new chord on a guitar or figure out a new dance step requires intense focus. This challenges your working memory and attention control in a fun, engaging way. So what's something you've always wanted to learn? Let me know in the comments below. Don't just consume information, actively engage with it. This creates a more resilient and adaptable brain, better equipped to handle a demanding world. Now for our fourth point, and it's a big one, managing your digital environment. It's no secret that our smartphones and computers are the biggest concentration killers. The constant pings, notifications, and endless feeds are specifically designed to capture and hold our attention. So the exercise here is to perform a digital declutter. This is a conscious effort to curate your digital space for focus, not distraction. Start by turning off all non-essential notifications on your phone and computer. Do you really need to know instantly when someone likes your photo? Schedule specific times during the day to check emails and social media, rather than reacting to them as they come in. Another powerful tip is to set up your physical workspace for deep work. Keep your phone out of sight and, if possible, in another room. Use website blockers during your focus sessions to prevent yourself from drifting onto distracting sites. This isn't about demonizing technology. It's about using it on your terms. By creating an environment with fewer triggers for distraction, you're making it easier for your brain to stay on task. You're removing the temptations, which conserves your willpower for the actual work you need to do. Finally, let's talk about physical activity and nutrition, because you can't separate brain health from body health. Exercise is one of the most powerful things you can do for your brain. When you engage in physical activity, especially aerobic exercise like jogging, swimming, or even brisk walking, you increase blood flow to the brain. This delivers more oxygen and nutrients, which are vital for cognitive function. Exercise also boosts the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. You can think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps them grow, connect, and stay healthy. Even a short 20-minute walk can have immediate benefits for your concentration. Similarly, what you eat directly impacts your brain. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation and brain fog. Instead, focus on a diet rich in brain foods. Think fatty fish with omega-3 south, blueberries packed with antioxidants, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Dehydration can quickly impair your focus and memory. A healthy lifestyle is the ultimate foundation for a sharp mind. So to recap, our brain exercise routine involves 5 key pillars. Practicing single tasking with techniques like the Pomodoro method. Building your attention muscle with mindfulness meditation. Challenging your brain by learning new skills. Actively managing your digital environment to reduce distractions. And supporting your brain with physical exercise and proper nutrition. These aren't quick fixes, but a holistic approach to building a more focused and powerful brain. Think of it like building any other healthy habit. You won't see results overnight, but with consistent practice, you will notice a profound difference in your ability to concentrate, be productive, and feel more in control of your attention. Start small. Pick just one of these strategies to implement this week. Maybe it's the 5-minute daily meditation or turning off your social media notifications. Once that becomes a habit, add another. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these exercises are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts and any of your own concentration tips in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else in this community. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on building a healthier mind and body, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world and helps us create more content just like this. Stay focused, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.